Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful soft white color. I have created a color scheme where I want to show you how you can use this color and what other neutrals you can introduce to create a beautiful bedroom or a living room. Now when you are working with soft whites or any other whites, which we put them in different categories from a soft white, pure white, blue white and a cream white, they don't like to be paired with certain undertones. So those are the other colors that you have inside your space. So today I'm going to be using a soft white and I'm going to show you what other undertones are going to work really well. So pay attention to your flooring, to your carpet in your bedroom. All these fixed elements have undertones. Also pay attention to your architraves, skirtings, what colors are they painted in, because they will also have an undertone. So when you are bringing the white color in, there's a lot of things that you need to pay attention to. If this sounds a little bit overwhelming, I do have an online course where I teach you all about undertones and how to work with neutral colors. They will be linked below this video. You can check it out. So today we are going to talk about Mount Aspriting from Dulux. This is a beautiful soft white and it will show you and it will throw a lot of lovely soft yellow undertone. So we always have to compare a color to a pure white. So from Dulux pure white, it's a vivid white, and as you can see here, I will show you later close up. If you have a look, you can definitely see the difference between the pure white and this lovely soft white with a yellow undertone. Now, this particular soft white, you have to pay attention to what, let's say, your flooring is. If you have a lot of yellow in your flooring and then you start to introduce more yellow on the wall, it will be really overwhelming. So pay attention to that, but it would work really well if you have dark wood flooring. It will just warm the space up and it would be a perfect color, let's say, for the walls in that environment. Now, as for your architrave, skirtings and doors, you can definitely paint everything in this beautiful color. However, I prefer to make a contrast and leave the architrave, skirtings and doors in a pure white and then paint the walls in this color. First, if you are, let's say, doing a bedroom and after a year or two you want to change it up, you don't have to worry about now doing your architrave, skirtings. They're always in a pure white. They will work with everything and you're not introducing another undertone inside your space. So pay attention to that. That is very important. Always use your pure white on architrave, skirtings and doors, and then on the walls you can use, in this instance, lovely soft white with a yellow undertone. Now, this color, the LRV is 82. What is that telling us? It's telling us that this color is really lovely and bright. So it goes into that category of really bright whites, and if the sun hits the space, if you have really lots of windows, you will see this lovely yellow undertone coming through. If that is what you like and if it works really well in your space, it can be absolutely stunning. But you just have to make sure that it works really well within your space. So pay attention to your flooring, if you have tiles, carpet, wood floors, and also pay attention to your kitchen, because your stone is very important. It will carry on a white. So let's say if you love this white and you want to install it in your kitchen and you want to, let's say, paint your kitchen in this soft white, you can definitely do so, but you have to make sure that your splashback and that your stone and your lower cabinets have exactly the same undertone. So this is really important when you're working with neutrals. Now, what we can do, whether you are doing a bedroom or open space living, we can introduce another neutral, which is a gray with a green undertone. It will work really stunning. So all these colors that I'm showing you, they're just a reference. Either one of these colors can be your wall color, and then other things can be your cushions, your vases, your furniture, but you can print these colors out. I will leave the PDF download below, and you can use them as a reference. This is the beauty of creating amazing color schemes and creating mood boards. That's how you avoid the mistakes and you know exactly what you're doing, and you go shopping with these colors. This is what I do, and this is what I do for my clients. I never ever go anywhere without the samples in A4 size, very important, with your pure white, and then you go shopping, and then you will then you can choose what you are going to buy. You will avoid the mistakes, and you will know exactly what colors you are working with. So this particular color, it's a beautiful gray with a green undertone. Let's say this can be a sofa. You can paint your walls in this color, architraves and skirting in this color. Then you can find a rug that has both of these colors. These days it's very easy because these kind of neutrals are really popular. Then the third color that I would introduce is this beautiful sage, lovely sage green. It's absolutely stunning, and you can, let's say, bring a lot of cushions, or you can find a rug or lovely curtains. It all depends of the space you are working on, but I'm just giving you a lovely color scheme that you can interpret and use in your space. When it comes to open space living, obviously you have to be very careful because there's a lot of other things to consider, but if you're doing your bedroom, it would be much easier. You can also use these colors when you go shopping to, let's say, buy lovely linen, and then you can make a decision which one is going to be your linen. Are you going to go with the sage, or you're going to go with the gray with the green undertone? Which ones are going to be your cushion? The most important thing is that you repeat each color at least twice through your many different accessories, lamps, cushions, throws, rugs. All these things are really going to make a huge difference. Can you use this color outside? You definitely can. It will be even 2 to 3 shades lighter outside, so that soft lovely yellow undertone will come through. It will work really well if you have white windows and lovely weatherboard house. It will bring a lot of softness to the space. Or pay attention, there's a lot of older homes that have windows that are actually have that soft yellow undertone, and I know there's a lot of windows that also have that soft orange undertone. So I just want you to pay attention to what type of a window color you have if you are trying to paint your outside. You can definitely use this color. And that is it from me for this lesson. I hope that this color scheme resonates with you, that you really like it. All these colors work really well together. If you have any questions, please feel free to pop them below, and I will make sure that I answer them for you.